Today's exciting Techtastic video is all about toys. Toys have come a long way, from kick the can or hoop rolling. While we all look back on our childhood with nostalgia, today's generations have some absolutely amazing toys that will make you jealous. If you're looking for the perfect gift, or if you want to compare your own favorite childhood toys to today's amazing inventions, then this video is for you. Here are 10 toy inventions kids will love. Number 10. Air Hog Zero Gravity Laser Racer. It won't be long before we're getting toys straight out of a Tron movie. This high-tech toy takes race cars to a completely different level, a vertical level. Spin Master's patented vacuum technology allows its toy car to drive on walls and ceilings. The high-tech improvements don't stop there. The Air Hog ditches the classic controller in favor of a laser system. The Air Hog Zero Gravity follows the laser along the ground, the walls, and overhead, making it super easy to control. This unique system also makes it much harder for the car to get stuck in hard-to-reach places, and the laser is great for parents too, so they can see the pathway of the car and stay out of its way. Parents around the world might be able to put to rest the old cliché of having a toy car rammed into their feet thanks to Spin Master's amazing invention. Number 9. Microsoft Adaptive Controller. This cutting-edge controller is not only futuristic, it's a huge step forward for people with mobility issues who can't use traditional controllers. This highly customizable gaming controller is designed to be ergonomic and usable with feet and various devices to give the gift of video games to everyone. Featuring programmable buttons, the Microsoft Adaptive Controller also connects to a variety of external joysticks, switches, buttons, and mounting devices to make gaming easier for people who can't easily use regular controllers. No longer will unique physical challenges prevent kids from being able to enjoy video games. This is a huge step forward that's awesome fun to boot. It works for both the Xbox One and PC laptops, and it even connects to tablets, giving people the freedom to use technology without setbacks. This unique controller was built in collaboration with numerous different communities, including the Cerebral Palsy Foundation, Warfighter Engaged, the Able Gamers Charity, Special Effect, and many more. People both young and old can make use of Microsoft's new controller, making this toy one truly fantastic invention for kids of all ages. Number 8. 3Doodler Start Robo Sumo 3D Printing Pen Set. This toy takes crafting toys to the next level. It's crazy to think that 3D printing is such a new technology, but inventions are already finding ways to give kids ways to explore this invention that will surely become the next device that every single home has to have. Safe for ages 8 and up, this awesome toy set gives you the tools to build your own 3D printed sumo battle bots to compete in an arena using a pen that prints low-heat, non-toxic, BPA-free plastic. The set comes with 2 mini motors, a pack of refill plastics, and a sheet of BattleBot-themed molds. Want to take creativity to the next level? You can even print from the ground up, totally freeform in mid-air. Not only does the 3D Doodler printing set teach crafting skills, it's also designed to teach complicated motion engineering and physics. Number 7. Legos. Yep, that's right. Legos are always reinventing themselves with new and exciting designs and products for kids to have fun with. Legos have remained a mainstay toy since they were created nearly 100 years ago, back in 1932. And they're here to stay. There's a Lego set for almost everything out there, from space exploration to archaeology, Avengers to Harry Potter, Star Wars to Trolls, and many more. Legos are even making new products like Lego Dots, which turn make-believe into a DIY crafts with functional uses like jewelry stands and more. Not only that, but Legos are real-world equivalents to unbelievably popular games like Minecraft, Robolox, and Trove. Fans of these games will love real Legos, and there are even tons of Lego video games for those who just can't get enough Lego fun. Number 6. Pictionary Air. This new high-tech toy brings a futuristic twist on an old classic, making it the perfect toy for fun with the whole family. With Pictionary Air, you can keep the paper and pens in a drawer because you won't need them. To get started, every player downloads the free Pictionary Air app. Then players can draw in mid-air with the high-tech pen to combine charades with their art. Then the drawer points the stylus at the other players and the drawings will show up right on their phone, tablet, or even TV screens. Number 5. Kano's Coding Kit. Kano's coding kits are completely game changers. They come in a variety of themes, including Harry Potter, Frozen 2, and Star Wars. Each comes with their own special motion sensor, along with unique assembly and coding-based games. The Harry Potter set has kids building their own wands, and then they program the on-screen visuals for their own spells. Kano's easy-to-learn coding projects teach kids important life skills as they conjure ice castles and create spaceships, while the motion sensors let them swing lightsabers and create blizzards on screen. Number 4. More 3D printed toys. For older kids or parents wanting to make something special, what could be better than bringing dreams to life? 3D printing software allows kids of all ages to learn important skills that they could use in future careers like drafting, architecture, game designing, art, and even engineering. 3D printers allows kids and parents to create their own unique toys that can't be found in any store. You can paint 3D printed figurines or use different colored plastics, which adds even more customization to this already amazing invention. If you can afford the investment of a 3D printer, you can avoid buying a new toy every week and simply print a new one. Maybe your kids love a game, TV, or book series that doesn't have any toys. Well, now you can make something perfect for them, right at home with ease. 3D printers are the wave of the future, and they give unmatched freedom and customization to make unique toys that kids will love. Number 3. Crayola Paper Flower Science Kit. As you can see, technology and toys are super popular these days, and even Crayola is jumping on the trend with their latest invention, the Paper Flower Science Kit. This DIY craft toy lets kids mix up colorful, non-toxic dye. Then they plant a paper flower in the mixture and watch in amazement as the colors travel up the stems to create colorful patterns on the paper petals. This teaches the basics of plant biology while also giving kids some super cool decorations that they'll be proud of for years. Number 2. Costumes and high-tech props. With comic conventions, gaming conventions, and other conventions gaining traction, the stigma around dressing up as a favorite character is slowly fading away. Whether they're Ghostbuster proton packs, realistic lightsabers, infinity gauntlets, and more, these type of toys will only get more popular and more high-tech, allowing kids to play as their favorite characters. You'll be able to find props and clothes for almost any character imaginable. Keep your eye out for new exciting items in this category, because you won't believe what inventors create next. They even make excellent Halloween costumes. Number 1. Virtual reality games. Older viewers will remember the days when VR was science fiction. We always dreamed of it. Books, movies, and games were made about VR. Now it's here. Incredibly immersive controls and game designs can transport players into fantasy worlds. Screens are constantly improving to reduce eye strain, and many other features are being developed all the time. Not only is VR an amazing toy, but VR can even teach important real-world skills. VR is being used to teach people how to fly aircraft and many more applications, making virtual reality one of the most important toy inventions of our generation. There's just so many options to have fun in new and exciting ways that no other toy can even come close to matching. Doesn't this list make you wish you were a kid again? If it did, be sure to let us know with a like. There are so many amazing toys being invented, it's hard to keep up. Which toy invention was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Want to stay up to date on the latest tech trends? Techtastic's got you covered. We cover every tech topic you can think of, so you'll always find an entertaining video every time you stop by. Subscribe to never miss a video, and we'll see you next time.